Hello, traders. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hellos, all YouTubers. So, I relaunched my second live stream session today. Somehow, the first sessions was crashing and my live stream was disconnected. So, this is the second version of today's trading. This is a second trading. It is actually a continued version. Yeah. So the results for today so far, uh, I'm still behind, still negative by 1 point. So I need to have my next trade to be successful at least 1 point gain. And right now, price action has reached the overnight high. It's this red line right here, and it seemed to drop back after it hits the overnight high. I'm not sure. I'm still waiting to see what it's doing right now. I don't want to predict that it's gonna reverse coming back down. So just a little recap of what I had previously. Before this, I lost like 7 points. So and then I had a few trades here and bail me out. Let's see. Yeah, let me zoom out. First two trade right here. First trade, I lost 3 points. Right here, I took second entry long, was thinking that this leg maybe keep going up, but actually it came down on me. And then I paused my trade for a little bit, regroup, and then I get my second entry long, 6 ticks, and then there's a low high trades over here for 6 ticks. Right here, 5 ticks, and right here I go long, but I end up closing my trade. And over here, it's just deep at the top of the trend channel. I'm in the range. I got my 6 ticks there, so adds up. It's about break even. I'm still behind, almost break even. I'm still behind by 1 point. So I think I'm gonna take this trade here. Almost missed this, but we'll see. I'm a little late. A little late. See if I get fill or not. No, it's too late now. Yeah, I entered at the right time. I would get my 6 ticks. Should I hang on? Should I hang on to this? Let it drop and get fill. Close it. Ah, it a miss. It was a miss. Yeah, so if an upward already got my 6 ticks profit there. Yeah, it hit the overnight high, and then if I was so sure about taking about this leg coming down, I would enter 1 tick below this bar. It looked like it's a great bar to enter a trade going down for at least to the EMA. Yeah, I was busy talking, explaining or recap all my previous trade, but it's okay. I think this leg and the next leg will heading up above the overnight high line. Overnight high line is the big red bar there. Wow, it is a good second entry long there. Good second entry long there that I miss. Yeah, I still have made mistake when I entered the trade yesterday. I entered a trade before the bar signal bar close. I mean, I enter at net zero at the tip of the signal bar. I should be 1 ticks above or 1 tick below. I enter exactly at the end of the bar, and then the bar reversed on me, and I took a loss. And I had to work my way up to gain my profit again. Now the second entry short is in work. Do I dare to take a second entry short? Not a second entry short, no. It is a fail second entry long, but it doesn't look like. I skip this. It was late here, but this lake here look like one lake though. So I'm waiting for the next lake drop. Hopefully it drop. Price action today has been playing the range. Every time it reach a next range, it's up and down for a while until then it start to go up again. So today, right now, this almost reached the height of the range. This range right here. Will it come back down again? These little things you can consider as a good probability setup. You trade the range, you trade at the top and the bottom. So let me adjust this. Hey, my ninja traders acting up on me. Maybe I need to close my ninja trader and come back. Every time I change my cursor from okay, maybe this trend channel is like this. Need to delete this. Sometimes my chart is a little congested because I draw too many lines. Because price action traders, I had to draw supports, resistance, range, range channel, trend channel. So there's a second entry. Is it? Yeah, but it's not really good signal bar. The lake is kind of like congested here. I'm talking about right here. Congested over here. Yeah, going sideways a little bit. The second entry short, yeah, second entry short that I was talking about is this look kind of good signal bar if I want to trade the second entry short, but look like it's gonna get trapped right now. The reason is because it's going sideways. It's congested. This bar, this 2, 3 bars kind of going sideways. Eh, Fortunately, I didn't enter the trade there. And this bar, that bar is trapping that second entry short now. It all depends on where you put your stop loss. If I trade this, my stop loss would be 1 or 2 ticks above this high pivot point here. I I love this trade to be short, but let's see, do I dare to go in? It's the top of the range. I'm going. I'm going in. It's the top of the range. Let's see where the market is heading. Will the market play the trend or it plays the range? It plays the trend, it's keep going up. Or maybe it come down a little bit to the bottom of the trend and going back up. Uh, right now it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Look like it's heading back up. I took this trade is because I see this bar right here with long tail on the top. Every time it reached the high, it came back down. It reached the high, it came back down. And suddenly this after I enter, this one bar reverse on me. We'll see. We'll see. Come on, one more tick to give me my 6 ticks. Okay. I think I got only 5 ticks instead of 6 ticks. Normally I go for 6 ticks, but I see this bar right here is moving. It kind of like hesitated to come down. And then I took only 5 ticks. And right now, 6 ticks is filled, 7 ticks, 8 ticks, 2 points easily filled. Okay, so this price action right now is playing, it's kind of playing the range. And maybe if this trend line is correct, it will bounce back up. That's kind of what I enter for. It's like I don't have enough room to the EMA, but I have plenty of room back down to the trend channel and also the bottom of the range. So exactly as what I thought. It came down to the range, trend channel, and then the next bar bounce. Skep was a little nervous here when I see this bar pointing up. Okay, so I'm in the plus territory now, positive. I am positive now for today. Thank you. Thank the universe. Thank for all the blessing. Way to recover my trade, my loss from early morning. I lost 7 points and I climbed back 1 point, 1 or 2 points at a time, 2 ticks at a time. One thing about scalping is never move your stop loss too big because you can always, at least I have experience that I can always come back up when I have money to trade, right? If you lose your account, you put a stop loss too big, you lost. There's no one no money left to come back. You have to put more deposit. If it is a loss, it is a loss. Yeah, you can move stop loss to a certain area, but not keep moving, keep moving. You keep and the price action keep coming down. You keep moving it down lower, lower. As- Just save that money for the next trade. So it's just getting stuck here. Time Ninja Trader is acting up on me. Yesterday I trade the ES, right? And then I enter the trade. It got filled in the MES chart. It got filled as a micro, and I did not I did not enter as in a micro chart. Somehow it's entered in the micro. It's a the order line. When we put order, the line show up. Order line did not show up. And it say your order is filled, and then I won the trade. It say your target is filled. What? I don't see the price move. I, and no order line. And somehow I went back to the micro chart. I see that I have trade over there, but I did not trade the micro. I trade in this ES chart. Fortunately, it was a winning trade, but it's only in micro. I should have got my win in the ES, my 10 times bigger. So Ninja Trader messed me up yesterday by 1.5, by 6 ticks, 1.5 points. Overall, Ninja Trader's platform is great, but once in a while it happen. It's like this right now. It gets stuck, and I cannot change anything. Somehow it's stuck there. I hope it's go away when I close the chart. I don't want to stay like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm up by 1 point, maybe by 2 ticks. I have multiple account going here, so some account is up like by 4 points, some account is up by 1 point. I'm glad I'm up by a little bit today, even though it's 1 point. Well, in total, I have 13 accounts. I have some Apex evals account, some Apex PA accounts, and one of my own private personal cash account So I trade all these accounts at the same time simultaneously by using the trade copy. It is called Replicanto software. I bought it for like what, $120, $140 or something like that. So by entering one account as a leader account, so the rest of the account follows. I see second entry short right now at the right of the screen here. Signal bar is kind of neutral. It's bearish but neutral. Maybe, but the trend is up. I'm predicting that the trend for the rest of the day, the stronger trend for today is up. I'm skeptical to take a short trade. Actually, it could be just one leg right now, depending on how you read this. But it is second entry shorts happening right now. I'm not taking the trade. If I took the trade, I could have got my 6 ticks there. Like my 6 ticks already filled if I took the trade. So this is another winning trade, but I didn't take it. Okay. So the sometime maybe you just take everything. And when you start you want to take everything, lost. It's not a good it's not a winning trade. And when you're not taking it, it doesn't look so good to you. It become a good trade. Put my yellow arrow in the wrong spot. I see this. I was gonna enter right below that red bar there, but the bar is not quite a good signal bar. But sometime when I see the next bar coming down, I took it. See the next bar coming down, I took it, and just like you combine the two bars as one signal bar. Sometimes I do that, and it works lots of time, not all the times. Okay, and now this big fat line here is the overnight high, and price action. The market has broken the overnight high. That line to the back there. And if I could get two more trade, positive, profitable trade would be nice. Would be nice. I want to see this right now. 10:30 is still my trading day is still young. I normally trade till 12:30. till 1 o'clock, but usually I don't trade after 12:30 or 12:45. I sit down and watch till 1 o'clock, watch the market till 1 o'clock, then I close my session. 1 o'clock time is the dangerous time to, it's unpredictable time to enter any trades, but I like watching them. I'm learning. I'm learning the price action when it's getting close to 1 o'clock Pacific time. Okay, I put my yellow. Anytime I put my yellow arrow there, it just tell me that this is a good spot to enter a trade, and I hesitate. Same thing over here, good spot to take a trade. I hesitate, and it turned out to be a winning trade. This one is not a good signal bar at all. There's a big tail underneath, and the body is at the top. But when there's next red bar coming down, that in my book, in my personal book, this is a trade, a possible trade to take. All right. So what's the market is doing now at this level? Here, it seemed to stall there. Is it gonna break that, or is it gonna come back down? My read is that it's gonna go up for at least 1 to 1 point. Yeah, it did. Well, during the time I'm saying it, it's going up and up higher. Wow. I'm skeptical to take the trade. And it's a good second entry bar right here, but it's running into the top of the range, little range there. So that's why I didn't take it. Yeah, yesterday I passed one eval account, and today I passed another eval account. I could have passed that one eval yesterday, but it was short by $10. So this morning, before I go live, I trade the micro, one contract of micro. Then I gained maybe like 2 points, enough to fulfill my pass, to pass the eval account. So today I need to pay for that eval account. It's 50K accounts, like $140 for the lifetime fees. It's not cheap. Hope I can keep those passing account till collecting the money. Many people fail their PA account, right? They work so hard to pass, and then when they have the PA account, they give it back. So unfortunate. It happened to me a few times too. What I have been improved a little bit. Hopefully, I am not losing any more PA accounts. So if you look at the right of the screen over here, I'm up by 1 point. I'm trading on this account. I'm trading two contracts. So 1 point is $100. That's not including the fees. I minus the fee. I probably won only half of that. So far I won maybe $50, not 100, because I trade like maybe 7 trades so far. I wish non-chart trader would have some kind of analysis or statistic window over here saying how many trades I have traded so far. The reason they don't do that because maybe they want you to keep trading. You don't they don't want you to track your trade how many times you have trade so that the more you trade, the more they make commission out of you. They want you to trade non-stop, 100 trades a day. That would be easily you trade ES, 100 trades a day, easily $400 for them. If you trade only one contract. All right. What is the price doing right now? I need one more blessing trade from the universe. Give me the wisdom, the talents, the knowledge to see my next trade. Okay. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna come back to the screen a little bit, telling the viewers that I'm trading live every day from 7 to noon Pacific time. I'm trading S&P 500 futures E-mini ES. So my trading style or strategy, I use price action, scalping method. Price action is basically trend channel, range channel, supports, resistance, including second entries, type of styles, type of strategies. I trade multiple accounts at the same times. Those accounts are Apex Evals account, Apex EA accounts, and personal cash account. So that's about all. And I usually post my profits after I finish streaming, and I create a cover picture at the beginning of the video for people to see my profits for today, for the day. So let's go back to the chart. Yeah, I keep adjusting my trend channel because when price is keep going up, I had to adjust my trend channel accordingly. Price is moving inside the channel, and a lot of time the high probability trades is happening at the edge of the channel. That's why people are drawing their channel. That's why people are drawing their channel so they can see where's the price are moving to, and they use the edge of the channel as their entries. It doesn't mean that, for example, like right here, right? It doesn't mean that the price come down and bounce back up all the times. Sometimes it just keep coming down, but at least they know something by drawing the channel, whether they want to enter the trade there or is there a reason not to enter the trade there. And there's also micro, another small channel inside the big channel, right? So as you can see, price dropping to the edge of the small channel. uh, It doesn't want to come any lower. It's go back up and pull up and then come back down again, hit the bottom of this small channel. There's a possibility of that it will bounce back up again, but no guarantee. It's easy to see when you are at the bottom of after the chart has been printed. But here, how do you know? You enter the trade here, you have to, it is like taking the risk, right? The risk could be a good risk. Okay, one more trade, please. I need one more trade, at least two more would be perfect. Um, want to go long here. I want to go long here. We'll see how this bar go. It's not a second entry. So it's not a second entry. I need to be patient. But I really love I really love to go long here even though there's no. Is this a risky? Is this a bad spot to enter? It's create it is creating a range right now for this groups of bar. This group of bars. It might keep coming down to the EMA. It just bounce back up. I don't know. I really want to go long here at this spot right here. Okay, I need to hold back. Look at that. Let's keep going up. At least give me 1 point or 6 ticks if I enter here or even here. We'll see how it goes. There's no second entry in that bar. There, the second entry is kind of forming right now, but it's not like two legs type of second entries. I like to see that the next bar coming down one more and then bounce back up. See, every time it came down to the bottom, it go back up and comes down again. So it didn't touch the EMA. It's still considered SA. It didn't touch it. Well, second entry is forming right now. Second entry is forming right now. Do I want to enter? I have to ask myself here. Second entry is fill right there. Do I want to enter? I'm going to enter now. Is fill and we'll see. It's kind of like at the top of the range or at the middle of the range. Normally we want to enter at the bottom. And after I enter it drop, I hate that. Sometimes we trade the range, just take us along at the bottom of the bar. Take along at the bottom of the bar. We'll see. Is price gonna move up? It's hard to tell here. If there's a lot of hesitation, I might just close the trade. It's hard to close a trade when you enter already. Let's see. This is the most important. Not every trade is most important. This is the trade that I need to be in the positive because I was break even. I was break even before this trade, right? Let's give me give me 1 point at least. I'm gonna move my bar. There's 50-50 chance here. Come on, go to the magnet. The magnet is my target level. The magnet need to be stronger. Let's go. Let's go. Which way are you going? Which way are you going? Let's go up. Let's go up. It's not looking good. I cannot lose this trade. I must win. I recover. I Come on, EMA, push him, push it back up. I did not take the trade at the bottom of this range, this series of bar, because decided to take the trade at the second entry at the top of the bars, which is by thinking that it's gonna keep going up, and then it start going sideways after I enter. Do I enter? Mm, I'm gonna double down on this trade when I see a sign of bouncing back up. Okay, let's keep going. The next bar is important. I know the trend, the up, the trend of going up is stronger. It's still the day is still young. It's not even 12 o'clock Pacific times yet. So let's keep going. Yeah. Hesitation on both sides. The traders, do they want to go up? They are thinking at this moment right here, a congested range right here. After I enter, it turns out to be a congestion range moving sideways. It's a decisions for both buyer and sellers. They are thinking, do they want to buy or do they want to sell? Sometimes the emotion is sell, sometimes the emotion is buy. Right now, it doesn't look good for the long. Is this happening to me after I enter my trade? Reverse on me. Don't reverse on me when I already enter. Hmm. All right, now it's time to go back. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Of the sign of going up is not looking good. It's gonna come down much further. I don't want to lose this trade. Why? Okay, there's a support right here, right, that I want to see. This is a strong support. It cannot go much below this support. So it's better bouncing back up now. A second entry long is happening right now. Let's see this bar. If this bar is turning past previous red bar, the second entry long is filled. And it try to go up there and come back down. The strength of coming down is still stronger than the strength of going up at this moment. I mean, a short term strength. We'll see how this, okay, how this next bar play. Okay, so it seems like there's a buyer put a big amount of money in that one bar jump up. So at least we can see that there's a buyer in there's a buyer in this lake. The second entry got filled but did not hit hit the profit target. Even 4 ticks, it did not hit. Oh no. Why is this reversing on me? When I enter, okay, trade today or what? My psychology mess up today or what? Second entry here didn't work. Second entry, the second entry, the second entry didn't work either. It broke the trend channel. Hopefully this is a failed breakout or an overshoot. Hopefully it isn't that. Let's see. Let me correct my trend channel, maybe see if there's a possibility that, okay, maybe it's like this. Still is overshoot. It's already past the lower trend. Sometimes it's a good sign. It's not a good sign. Okay, see, should I double up? So I'm down 5 points now on this trade. I'm down 5 points on this trade. No good, no good, no good. Should I close the trade? Should I close the trade? Or is it market reversing now or what? If you look at the overall chart, the trend is up. The main trend, everything. I mean, it's not a strong trend up, but it's up. The overall trend is up. That's why I decided to take this trade. Uh, okay, maybe it's too far from the EMA. Okay, I take a trade long and it is too problem. Not good. I forgot to read the EMA. Sometime, sometime you forgot. Did I not read the EMA? What? I did not read the EMA. It's too far from the EMA to go up, man. If you trade like this, you go short. It's a bad read. That's a bad read. Okay, after it hit this bottom of the range, it seems like it wants to go back up. Market has been playing the range most of the morning. So there's a bigger range right here. If it decide to market decide to go come down past this range, I'm in bigger trouble. I'm in big trouble. If it reverse in good shape, better shape. Um, we'll see. We'll see this bar and the next bar. This bar and the next bar. Okay, it hit the bottom of the range already. What is this bar going to do? Based on my chart, looks like it's gonna keep coming down. I want to see some kind of mm, want to see some kind of signs that it's going back up so I can buy, but it's not. It's a big loss here now. 7 points now. Okay, let's go back up. Let's go back up. Yeah, I want to see the next bar green. I want to see next bar green. I think I need to close my trade here. I don't want to stop loss too big. and there's something coming up. Maybe I just take, if it's gonna go long, I just take long again. Stop loss maybe should be here. The most I can do. Let's see, but it doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Signal is still down. It's not good. I'm gonna close it straight. I'm closing. There's no sign of. Okay, I'm losing this trade. Okay, enough is enough. It's time to move up. Yeah, I have to move up. Yes, please. Hmm. Yeah, I start with a loss of 7 points. Now I bail out a little bit and it hesitate to come down. There's some kind of strong support right here. Maybe this is a support. Maybe that is a support. Is a sign of bouncing back up or what? Yeah. Okay, please go back up. Okay, this is a drop through this line. That's it. Yeah, it dropped through that line. It busted. The support it busted. If it doesn't, by looking at the book map on the left, a lot of orders are at the bottom, but sometimes it lies. See the big 4200. Okay, you have a resistance here that you cannot come down any further. Need to go up. Need to go up. The main trend of the day is up, man. Main trend of the day is up. Do I dare? Do I dare to come down here? Put my stop loss way here. Way too big stop loss. Somehow it's still keep coming down. Seven down 7 points today. Down 7 points today. Okay, there's some sign of life outside now. Okay, life is coming back. You are not lying to me. It's not good again. It went up a little bit and pulled back. I want to be a sign. Want to see a sign of going way up here. About the EMA, go about the EMA by 1 bar. That's mean my trade is back to life. My trade is back to life. I hope it's not, the EMA is not resisting. The EMA is resisting. It means that this trend is keep coming down. We'll see. See how this bar finish. How the next bar go. Some sign of life coming back. That's not very sure yet. EMA seem to block the. We need to climb back into the trend channel. We climb back to the trend channel, we have good chance. At least above this yellow line here. We'll see. The next bar, if this bar is continue to be green, that bar continue to be green. It's not good. It's not good. Yeah, my stop loss is here. And that's all I can afford. That's all I can afford for today. Okay. If this bar going about the tip of this red bar going higher than this, it might be a good chance the life is coming back for sure. Okay. Mm. Not very good sign that it stay below the EMA. It doesn't want to go back above the EMA. Hmm. There's a second entry shorts going on right now. Do I want to go short? Did I kill my trade and go short instead? But the overall main trend is up to me the way I read. If you look at this, the overall main trend is up. It keep come down till way down here. That would be way too low. Okay, but there's a good sign right here also that it has a midline here that it stopped at the midline. This is the midline of the overall trend channel. Look like it's gonna bounce back. Look, it's bouncing back up after the midline. When it hit the midline. So let's go to a close-up chart. It breaks so strong underneath this trend. Okay, I see life. I see life is coming back on the top now. Okay, but how far is it gonna go? I don't know. I just hope that it doesn't drop back too far. It's an uptrend day, so I took my chance to go up, but I forgot to read the EMA. It's too far from the EMA. Big lesson learned here. You go the opposite direction of EMA, you get hurt. Don't go opposite direction of EMA. If it come down to hit the EMA and then it's close to the EMA, it's okay. Don't go too far. When it's too far away from the EMA, don't go too far from it. Okay. Now I have some life, but I'm still way 4 points below. Still 4 points up. 4 point loss. Need to get closer. I need to get closer to the. Okay. Thank you, universe. We are not there yet. We have life. We have chance. We now have a chance. Let's keep going. 2 more points to the original. Let's see how the next bar go. We already come past the EMA and also past the short-term this resistance. supports. We break through it, and now the next one is up there. The target line is green. I hope that it's not pulling back. Yeah. Yeah. We need life. Life is coming back. Let's keep life, keep breathing, keep going up. Wake up. Yeah, look like the market is now trying to break the previous high. We hope so. Let's see. Can we break the previous high? This leg right here. The day is still young. It's not 12 o'clock yet. Come on, one more. One more green bar. And then the next bar will be a profitable bar. Hmm. Profitable bar. This is the profitable bar. We need that. This bar, let me see. Hmm. Sometimes I just like to close when the profitable bar come. It's why is it dropping? Why is it dropping? Go back up, please. Need one more green bar, please. Need one more green bar, please. One more green bar, please. Or is it trying to play the range here, and it stopped growing here. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. It's a 50-50 chance here. I am not sure. The trend is up. The main trend is going up. Don't think it will come back down too far. Yeah, the main trend is up. It's not supposed to come down. The main trend is up. Mm-hmm. Yes. 111. Let move my closer. Need to move my magnet closer. Okay. At 1 point, I didn't take the 1 point. Let's put it there. Okay. It's unpredictable. It's unpredictable. 1150. Is it 1150? Is it a pullback here? Then there's a pullback. I add one more. It's okay. Mm. 50-50 chance here. It seems to be more congested on the lower side. Still down. Should I close this trade? This bar, okay. There's life on the upper side now. Life on the upper side. Let's go. Let's go. This bar. Go stronger, much stronger. Yeah. Uh-huh. Let's go much stronger. Yes. One more. Mm. Okay. Hold my breath the whole time. Thank you, the universe, for forgiving me and bless me and make me strong that I can come back. That I can make a comeback to the top of the trend. I still think that it will break. I still think it will break this high, but I did not really have full confidence that it might reverse. You play at the top. Oh, instead of this is a fortunate. See, I enter way over here. This is not a good style of trading. I should have closed my trade here when it came back, okay? I hang on and took a long journey to come down and back. So it looks like the market is passing through the top now. I that's what I feel at this time, and yeah, I'm still learning and learning how to not take a big loss, learning to accept a small loss and look for the opportunity to come back to read the market better. This support right here is the key, not this here. Let me delete this. Yeah, this support right here is the key. That it came down, it could not pass this 2 or 3 dotted lines too far down. I have dotted lines here just to give me a hint of where the supports and resistance are. When these like this, it looks like these are the strongest, uh, strong supports. 2 or 3 in a row. 2 or 3, 2 or 3 dotted lines at the top of the range. Yeah, I don't know how many points I get there. I think I got only 6 ticks. On my last trade, and it was a blessing trade. It was not a good trade. It's a blessing trade from the sky to recover and make profit. That's all I need, blessing. Uh, let's see. This time I trade is like a swing trading on this entry here. Oh, I saw the market. I was hoping the market is gonna go past further high up, right? Because every time it came down, touched the EMA, touched the EMA, touched the EMA, it always bound back up. And this time it touched the EMA again. And when I enter, it started to go sideways against me. And then it drops. The previous 2, 3 times it didn't do that. So after I enter, it dropped. So I consider my trading style as a range now. I mean, it's a swing trading style now. So I move my stop loss way over here. And on the back of my mind is that the trend is more stronger to the upper side. I just feel that this leg I'm lower than this thing. So I took that chance by moving that big stop loss. The only thing here that I survived the big loss, but I decided to take only a small profit instead of take the risk. If I lost 1 point, so let it be, 1 or 2 point, let it be, and also take a chance to have a bigger profit, bigger profit. I didn't do that. I didn't want to take the chance after recovering from a big drop down. So now the market at new high now. Maybe it's gonna drop back again. So lesson learned on maybe don't let it drop back. Let it drop back and stay in a congestion, create a congestion range, and then when it finishes with the congestion range, buy again. So right here, I earn, I don't know how many ticks I earn here. I forgot. I put 6 ticks for now. I think I have 6 ticks, but not quite sure. I will come back later to correct it. Let me check how many ticks profit I get here. Could be 8 ticks. Let's see. We get only 6 ticks the most. Could be 4 ticks only. Let me check. CT1 buy 492 4209 and 429 10. 6 ticks. Yeah, that's all I got. 6 ticks. That's fine. It is about the EMA. Said that this could be top of the I'm still learning. I'm trying to find a way, more consistent way to do it. So again, my live stream video is for entertainment purposes only. It's not recommended for you to follow my trade strategies. The streaming video is just showing how I trade, the style that I trade. I'm not providing anyone the trading strategy. This is just a regular how I trade. It's a journey on my trading life, and it is also entertaining. Somebody who want to watch how other people trade, what maybe they try to find out how other people trade, maybe what their strategies, what type of strategies they are using. But I'm not providing you the strategy. I'm just showing how I trade. You want to copy, take notes of how I trade. Okay, but do not use it to trade on your own. You can take notes and study, practice, use it to practice if it is profitable for you. Do it, make it your own style of trading. Every trader has different personalities. So sometimes they learn something from one expert trader. It doesn't mean it's good for him. It's like because you have different personality, you have different psychologies, and it's not working. And even though you have a good strategy to work with to trade, but it doesn't fit your personality. Your psychology is could be like you're greedy, you want to gain more, you don't close your trade at the proper time, control when you are losing or something like that. Those trading strategies could be a lot of. They say that psychologies of traders are very important than strategies. And I have learned practice trading for the past few years. I believe that is really to control ourselves from nobody want to lose, but when you lose, your head is steaming. You want to what they call double down the trade. You want to hang on to your trade just like I did today. You don't want to lose, you hang on, and then the lose, the loss become bigger and bigger and bigger. And moving your stop loss, and you will lose the account. So that's what I'm trying to say is that trading is very risky. Every trader has their own personality. And my video, my stream today is not, or every day is not for providing everybody trading strategy. As you can see, I'm losing, I'm winning. It's not like I win on every trade. But fortunately, I win today at the end of the almost close session of the trade. Very fortunate and blessing from the sky. So I'm just showing, keeping track of how I trade. And maybe 3 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, I look back, I can have a record of how I started to tell new traders or to tell my kids how I started. It's a journey, just like some people who try to lose weight, they record their journey of losing weight from day one. Similar with me, I'm recording it's part of the learning method, how I trade on my first YouTube live or something like that. Hopefully a year from now, I will be more a better trader, and yeah, I am becoming a better trader in a year, 2 years from now. Maybe I can contribute more to the YouTube world, but right now I would not recommend anybody to follow my trade, but they can observe and learn with me today. Thank you very much. Alright, let me see how the price action is creating a system, a range came down, touched the EMA and go up again. Now I'm trying to come down again, will it go up again? That was learn me on this, burn my entry. See here, I draw my trend channel. Every time it came down, went up. Came down to touch the trend channel here. Up. Came down again, almost touch the trend channel. Up. Came down again, touch the trend channel, and up. And here it came down and then passed trend channel. So that's why I told you to be over here. Came down, I expected to go up, and there. And I got burned. It, after I enter, it started going sideways. It will go up. Like this one right here, came down and almost touched the trend channel. Going sideways, go up further. And enter, go sideways, go up a little bit, down. It will look back, go down further until it hit the lower port, this range right here. I could see some light start to go back up. Very fortunate that it went back up. Really, really. This time again, I want to go up. I want to buy right here again. See this buy. Right now it's better because it is at the EMA. The second entry and God, let's see. Thing. Let's make do I dare to go up? Do I dare to buy here? Last time I got burned and it came down like this. This is triple touch. Order submitted. But it's too late now. Ah, order canceled. Down. What is triple touch? This is exactly what they call the triple. Okay, see one red bar here coming down and decide to pull back up. Same thing over here. At the bottom peak of red bar. So the trade bottom without range. And from here, I got the internal trading for it to come back. That pick up on me. I'm gonna save this picture of triple touch. So next time I can recognize triple touch. I could recognize, but I never had a good example. I want to say a good example, picture a good example. And now it's four text. Still again, triple text. Maybe ignore one, maybe this one, two, three. Not maybe come down. You know, nothing is guaranteed. me to say, yes, 100%, let's go. I don't have that skill yet. My knowledge is not that strong. But this range, if you buy at the low and sell at the high, again, this is a second entry long. I want to enter. I want to enter long here. The bar, the bar doji. Escape a lot. I got to be a win. So I want to enter not at the wrong time. And I'm entering now. Still order submitted. Next time after I enter, take it here on what see this kind of thing. Only again, it's like I have bad luck of something. So that's why after I enter, it's the second entry, but it's usually it's not a fixed on. Well, the green is green. Sometimes green is too late. So now, second entry here, the bar looks better now. Now, really, still bearish. And okay, my day is not finished. I enter again. Main trend is up. Main trend is up. So I'm expecting that it will go back up. The situation is almost similar to what I said the last time. Except the last time the entry was way higher than the rate. And now the situation is similar again. After I enter, it opposite direction from my go past this range here. It's really dangerous for me. So over here is bottom of the range here. Okay, bottom of that range here. So that I'm dangerous. So if it go back, goes back, it might keep going to the top of the range, further to the top of the range, or it might even create a new high above the range. Let's see next bar, the next bar. I have like to go to the upper side. Looks like it looks like I have like to go upper side. Okay, sign of going up is improved, but I'm not sure. I have some sign of light. Suddenly it came back down. Go back up again. Oh, this bar needs to be green. And the next bar, green. The trend is up. The main trend is up. What is the main trend? The main trend is up for today. It should not be coming. It should not be coming lower too far. Go back a little bit, going back up stronger. Okay, let's see that. Need to bring this straight by 1 point minimum. Oh, one more tick. Just one more. See, see stronger leg, stronger lifting stop. Then give you the 1 point. With only 1 point. Bring that down. Not there. It's not there. But every time I enter, turn out to be negative. Turns against me. Turns against me. Go back up. The main trend is up. Main trend is up. You need to go along with it.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Then you can see I might enter the trade and it's starting to become I enter the trade and let's see this on the side that second entry long. So I enter, even though I enter a little late, second entry long right there. When I enter a little late, it's because I want to see the great green bar. This this is a single bar, but the next bar really bullish. So that's why I enter. Every time I enter, it's just like so. Hopefully, beginner will see strength to fight through. Market data is fighting through to go up. Trend is up. Main trend is up. Trend is up, and let's see. Range. The app is good support. Often only further than last time. Reduce the heat. Let's see. And come down a little further than that. Bounce back up. You need to top. Getting closer to the 1 o'clock. The 1 o'clock is vengeance. 1 o'clock is vengeance. The market can be very volatile of any directions. So where the market want to go, just going wild. Now I'm behind on this trade by 2 points. The main trend is up, so it should go up that way. Don't expect it to reverse this time. Hit the main trend again. Coming to the upside, keep climbing higher and higher. Climbing higher and higher. Right here is even higher. So just studying the trend, the trend channel is still strong up unless the market decides to reverse at this time. I don't think so. Looking for a signal telling me to go up. Is there any light of going up right now? I think I will double down, double down. Six, it makes and support right here. Five, three, kind of mistake, right? Second entry long here. Second entry long here. See a light on light up at the top. Some light. Cannot be. I cannot lose today. So let me Asia just came down how far now? How far up? Why? This, this, this block here. I don't know the enter here. Turn this up. There's got to be some sun going up. I we need this late to bounce back up. We need this late to bounce back up. Okay, that may be a good sign. Sign. Okay, let's going. Yeah, 1250, 1249 now. It could be wow. After this, there would be wow going up and barley going down. See if it can be short signal here, but the market, the trend is up for the whole day. And it's up for the whole day, and the signal was like light on the upper side, going, yeah, going further to the upside, or light on the upper side, coming back down. Main trend is up, main trend is up. So, I want to one, pull back. Main trend is up, main trend is way up there. Main trend is way up. This channel is going up. See a sign shift now. Okay, one more bar on the upper side. No, not trend on the upside. See, how is it coming down when all the on the upside? And double up, and double up. Second entry long right here, follow the doji bars. But hopefully this next bar is new. This bar is green. Good possibility of good rise There's a chance opening. Not sure why the resistance stopped at my entry line there. You know, to touch my entry line and come back. So now it's got to break through that entry line to the top. Don't come down because the main trend is up. The main trend is on the upper side. Main trend is on the upper side. Let's go for the second entry long is still now. Long is still now. Go up further. Back through. Okay, I see yellow and white. Yellow there at the top. Oh, oh,
Order filled.
thank you, thank you. Because the universe, thank you, my God, Jesus Christ. Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, powerful God, the most powerful of the universe. In the name of Jesus, in Jehovah, Father, the Son, the Spirit, the Son, in the name of Jesus Christ. I thank you, thank you. Amen. Hallelujah. I am a religious trader. Whatever I do, I have to thank my God. I pray every time, all the times. So today is a blessing day from God, from the universe, from above. It is a blessing day. So it's already 1 o'clock. Well, 57 actually. And where is my trade? I enter my trade. Where is my trade? I didn't mark up my previous trade. 6 ticks there. Go up. Okay. This right here is also a second entry. Actually, I enter at the green bar, not right at the not at the top of the bar, but somewhere near the top. So after I enter, it came back down again, just like my previous trade. Almost lost and then I came back to win. Almost lost, I came back to win. That's because of the blessing. So let me see how many points I got from that trade. From the last trade of the whole day, 4225. Yeah, I got 6 ticks. That's my default profit target. 6 ticks there. I think I enter the trade right here. The market price move up, touch my 6 ticks, but it did not get filled. So, and then it since then it's reversing. It scares me big time, but I believe in the uptrend. That's why you have to trade along the trend. You lose, but you still have hope that the price action is going to bounce back to agree with the trend. So this second entry long is actually, if you trade for 6 ticks, it would be successful in the first place. But because I go for 6 ticks, it touched my target line, profit line, but it did not, it touched the 6 ticks, but it did not fail for me. And then suddenly it dropped back. I didn't want to close my trade because I was a little upset that it didn't fail. So at least I got my 6 ticks. And now it's already 1 o'clock. Um, I'm not gonna trade anymore after 1 o'clock. Actually, I stop trading around 12:30, 12:45, but because of this trade here is stuck in a losing mode, I hang on to the trade until the markets bounce back up and give me 6 ticks profit. Look at this. It's market decide to stop at the same high level, bounce back down. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you happen to catch my trade, live trading today. So let's do a little recap of what I have traded so far. It's a scary journey trading day for me today. It didn't go too smoothly from the beginning, but however, I made some good profits out of it because of my angel above watching over me. Give me the wisdom and talents and the skill of how to trade, right? In trading, you need a lot of luck involved. It's not just the skill. Sometimes the skill, I put every trade in the way I thought that it would work, that meet my strategies, and it ends up it's not working. So that's when we need miracle. We need blessing to save my trade. Okay, so my it's a long day, so the chart look kind of complicated to read. I'm just trying to show recap of what I have traded today, keep for my record and for people to understand and know what I'm talking about. So the first trade that I took was move my chart up. Somehow the ninja trader doesn't want to move. Okay, maybe it crashed now. I cannot move anymore. I cannot move my mouse. Okay, finally. Okay, this is my first trade. Then want to move the chart to the left. And originally there's a range over here. This trend is moving to the top of the range. And I decided to enter the trade. I thought, okay, it's at the top of the range. Enter the trade, but the market, it's been like that for the whole day, whole morning. But when I enter the trade, the market decided to reverse. Same thing over here. I enter the trade to go long, second entry long, and market decided to come down on me. Well, the same thing is like the market touched my profit target 6 ticks, and then it didn't give me the trade, so it came back down. That's why a lot of people trade scalper for only for 4 ticks. I go for 6 ticks. That burns me. Should change my strategy to 4 ticks, but it's still within reach the 6 ticks. I have been trading with that, and I have gained good success with it. But recently, it seems like 4 ticks. I'm still try to analyze which is better, 4 ticks or 6 ticks. Try to keep that study statistic of that. But 6 ticks so far, I've been doing 6 ticks. So 6 ticks, second entry long, and at a lower high over here. I don't want to zoom in because my Ninja Trader, my computer is kind of slow. Somehow today, I gain 5 ticks here, and here I enter the trade and I decide to close it. So no, even though I enter the trade, it's break even. And then there's a 6 tick over here. I take this at the top of this range, big range. I just see that it's look like you can call it as like three tests, triple tests. So I enter that. I look at that this bar, this leg coming down. How many points? Maybe like tens. But I only go for 6 tick. I am a scalper. Okay, this is what I said. I took this at the top of the range, and then again, second entry short here. 6 ticks, 6 ticks here. I see a triple test here, but I didn't pay close attention to it. I Then I realized I entered the trade a little late. The bars are already just when I entered the bar, I hope it pulled back a little bit, but the green bar keep going up, and I missed that triple test trade, which is okay. Yeah, this triple test right here. And then there's a scary second entry. I got my six ticks. So this is the final trade. And I got $425 each account. $425. I have like 12 accounts behind this. This is my leader account. And I have 12 accounts copy behind this. So multiply this number by 12. That would be, well, if I look at my calculation for now, roughly I get about $3,800 for today. Okay, so that's all for today, and I'm gonna put a note over here to keep a record of myself for people to see my video. What is my results today? Somehow my Ninja Trader is so slow. And I click something, and it didn't react immediately because I have a lot of things going on in the background. Maybe I have YouTube live going on, and also yeah, that's about all. And I have a few indicators here. So today trading results. Pray that my trading for tomorrow and on are not like today. Today is a scary day. I almost have big loss for several times, and I escaped the loss. And I pray that next time I won't have this kind of trading days. Gotta be easier than this trading day. Thank you, the universe, the angel, the Lord of universe. Thank you. So, result trading for today. Positive 3,800.71. I forgot to count. I forgot to count how many trade I took today. Probably, I think probably at least 7, 8 trade. Normally, that's because I didn't win. I lost my first two trade. I know that I can come back, make a comeback. I make a comeback almost all the times. And today is tough. Today is a tough day for sure. I have been winning the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks straight, but somehow today it wanted to give me a loss. And okay, my trading results for Today trade sessions, I'm positive by 3,871 dollars. So actually, this is one account. Just one account is $425. That's minus the fee is it's less than 400. So multiply by 12 accounts. Some account I trade one contracts. Some account I trade two contracts. This leader account I trade two contracts. So it's a winning day again. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like, please click subscribe, hit like and subscribe. And hopefully to see you again. Come back again to watch me trade tomorrow. Every day from 6:30 to 1 o'clock. Okay, the trading session is over now. I'm closing the session now. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.